Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 4, comma minus 3 and 8, comma 5 in the ratio 3 is to 1 internally. So first I will draw a diagram for this problem. Okay. First consider this line segment. Okay, I will yeah write like this. This is a line segment. Line segment. The telling line segment joining the points. So this is one point. This is second point. I will take it. I will take this as A. I will take this as B. Next, joining the points 4, comma minus 3 and 8, comma 5. Okay. Consider this first value. I mean, they have given the points A and B. So we need to identify which point is A, which point is B. Okay. For that, consider these first numbers. Okay. So 4 comes first, right? I mean, 4 is smaller than 8. So first this point. That means point A is 4, comma minus 3. Next this point 8, comma 5. This one. They are telling in the ratio 3 is to 1 internally. That means here, this one. Point which divides this line segment in the ratio 3 is to 1 internally means there is a point on this line. So on this line I will take point P. So they are telling this point P divides this line segment in the ratio 3 is to 1 internally. That means, see, when this point lies on the line segment, we will say this point is dividing this line internally because this point lies on this line. They are telling this point divides in the ratio 3 is to 1. That means 3 1. 3 is to 1. This is 3, this is 1, like that. That what is the meaning of this? See, if the distance of P from this point is 1 unit, then 3 times of this is this distance. So that is 3 units. Now this is particularly 3 is to 1. 3 is to 1 we have taken 3 1. But in general we will take this as M1, this as M2. Okay. Now the given ratio is 3 is to 1. Okay. So M1 is to M2. M1 is to, I will write once again here. M1 is to M2 is equal to 3 is to 1. Okay. Okay. So here I said M1 is equal to 3 and this M2 is equal to 1. Now what we have to do? What is the question? Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment. I mean, this is the point P dividing this line segment, this one. We need to find coordinates. Coordinate means x comma y. Okay. So now I will take coordinates of this point as x comma y. You got it, right? M1 is equal to 3, M2 is equal to 1. That you got it. See, now I have taken this P as x comma y and point A 4 comma minus 3 I will take as x1 comma y1. x1 comma y1 is equal to 4 comma minus 3. Okay. And next this I will take as x2 comma y2. x2 comma y2 that is equal to this 8 comma 5. 8 comma 5. Okay. Now so x1 comma y1 this 4 comma minus 3 means this 4 is The first one is x1, so this first one is 4. That means x1 is equal to 4, this y1 is equal to minus 3, like that. Similarly, this is first one, this is first one, so x2 is equal to 8, y2 is equal to 5, like that. Okay. Now, so this, if you, whenever you see this diagram kind, now this comes under section formula. We will use section formula for finding coordinates of this point, that is dividing this line segment internally. So section formula, first for x, actually once again I will write section formula. We want this x comma y, that is the question. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment. So x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus n x1 whole divided by m1 plus m2. This side, okay, I will write down here. No, or else I will just 1 minute, I will come back. Yeah, I'm back. You understood this diagram, right? I will just rub this. Okay. I was about to draw section formula. I have to write section formula. So x comma y is equal to, see whatever I erased, if you want to see that back, you just move the video backward. Okay. So x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 whole divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 whole divided by m1 plus m2. Okay. Now next step is what? Just we need to substitute the values. We know m1, m2, x2, x1. See, m1, m2, x1, everything we have here. I will substitute. In place of m1, 3, x2, x2 means 8, bracket 8. Here bracket of 8 means 3 into 8. That's the meaning. Understood? Plus m2 is 1, x1 here 4, yeah, 4, m1 plus m2, m1 is 3, this is 1, so 3 plus 1. Next m1 3, y2 5 plus m2 is 1, bracket y1. So y1, in place of y1 we have minus 3. Okay, whole divided by m1 plus m2. So m1 is 3, m2 is 1. So 3 plus 1. Okay. We have substituted these values into the formula. So I will just erase now. Okay. Now it is just simplification. That's all. Okay. Here I already said here bracket is there means after 3. So 3 into 8. That's a multiplication. So 3 8s are 24. This plus, so 1 into 4, 4, 3 plus 1 is 4, comma, here, so 3 into 5, 15, this plus, so 1 into minus 3, Before that, consider plus signs also. This is plus 1. Plus into minus, minus 1 into minus 3. Sorry, plus into minus. Signs multiplied. Now take numbers 1, 3. 1 into 3, 3. So all divided by this line. Next, this one, 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. Next, simplification. So 24 plus 4, 28, this 4, comma, 15 minus 3. How much? 12, right? Yeah. This 4. Now divide. 4 ones are 4 sevens are. So we are left with 7. This comma. 4 ones are 4 threes are. So these 3 I will write here. So we got x comma y is equal to 7 comma 3. Correct? So that means what? The x is equal to, here I will write x comma y. So x is equal to 7. Y is equal to 3. Okay. So coordinates. When they ask coordinates, you have to write in this form. 7 comma 3. Okay. So coordinates of the point P is 7 comma 3. So this is the answer. Okay. Thank you. Click on subscribe.